Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's tutorial we are going to be transforming my old shirt into a new into a shirt gown for my 2-year-old. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to achieve that, I would like you to watch the video to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So as you can see, this is the shirt I made for her. That's what it looks like. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is to get the shirt, which is the old shirt. So in my case, this is mine. It's already in 2 folds, so I went ahead to place it in 4 folds. As you can see, just make sure that it is well kept, like everything is kept in place. In my case, I have done that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw the starting line where I'm going to be taking all my measurements from. So that's my starting line there. So from that starting line, you take your length, that's the full length measurement. In this case, I'm taking 21 inches. We are not going to be touching the bottom because it's already hemmed. So, and then for the shoulder measurement, I took 5.5 inches. I'm going to be attaching a sleeve. Then for the neck width, I took 2 inches, while I took 2.5 inches for the neck depth, 2 inches for the width, 2.5 for the depth. So after marking that, you just go ahead to make the curve. So the next measurement is to take out our shoulder slant, which is 1/2 inch, because this is a child's dress. So from there, just draw your line, connect it back to the neck width, like so. Please forgive my chalk and the fabric is one kind. So from that shoulder slope, I went on to take my armhole measurement, 5 inches from the shoulder slope. Then I took the chest measurement. I'm taking 7 inches, 6 inches for the main measurement, 1 inch for sewing allowance. Then for the bottom part, I'm taking 9 inches. 9 inches. So before I connect that line, I'll go ahead to draw out my armhole curve. So using my ruler, I connected the curve first, and then using my tape, I divided the armhole into 2, and it gave me 2.5 inches. So I marked the point, then took out 1/2 inch from the inside. Now after doing that, I went ahead to connect and draw my armhole curve like so. Then I went on to connect the line for the length of the gown on the side. Now I'm done. I'll go ahead to cut out the excess fabric. In this case, because of the nature of the fabric, it wasn't well placed. So I'm not going to be cutting, I'm not going to be following the side lines. I'll just add a little, just small inches. So because at the end of the day, after cutting, I'm going to open it up and I will trim out the excess fabric. I'll open it up and trim it out. That's why I'm not just following the line. The fabric is not cooperating at all. So now I'm done. I've opened it up. I have also gone ahead to trim out the excess fabric. So the next thing is just to go ahead and pipe the neck and also join the shoulders. So guys, I'm done piping the neck and joining the shoulders. This is what I have. So the next thing to do is to join the sides. So you turn your fabric over like so, making sure that the right sides face each other, and then go ahead and sew the sides. So I'm done joining the sides. The next thing I'm going to do is to attach the sleeve. So for the sleeve, I'll just get the sleeve of my shirts, cut it open like so, and then cut out the sleeve for the new shirt gown. So So I'm done cutting the sleeve. I'll just open it up like so, and then go ahead to hem the bottom for both sides. And after hemming, I'll join the sides together like so, then attach it to the dress. I'm done attaching my sleeve to the dress, and this is what we have. And this is the result. Isn't it beautiful? Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.